camping for today sa Alcudra. So dala namin, ito yung barbecue, meron kaming sausawan, at saka meron kaming hotdog. Gumawa rin kami ng kape, diba? May thermos kami. So gumawa kami ng kape. Para mamaya, pag medyo malamig doon, kape si Mayor. Abangan nyo mamaya ang aming mga video sa aming mga pag-grill ganon. So hi guys! Today is Friday, kami ulit, barbecue day na naman. Ibang outfitan, kasama ulit sa Napling, Pulang Lips.
Hindi na masyado.
So, dito kami sa desierto na naman kami. At nakita namin si Garfield. Garfield! So yun na naman, nakarating na naman kami sa Damak Hills to, North. Kaya ipakita namin ang view ng kagubatan, kabukiran, ganon. And here we go. Here's the view. See, look at that. Looks amazing. Then you arrive at your destination. Parang taxi lang. Parang lang, GPS. So we're here and the weather is nice. It's a little bit windy, but it's sunny. Oh, di ba? Windy and sunny. Ganon. And then we're setting up our tent with a brar. He told me to speak English so he can understand what I am talking about. Ganon. So everything is done. Ready for our barbecue party for tonight. Oh, see? So hi guys, nakarating na kami sa Alcudra at ngayon nagagawa kami ng lutuan namin ng barbecue. Mahangin. Hindi namin na-set up yung tent na maigi pero sana.
Yung tent.
Diba? So ayun, mamaya makikita nyo ang mga barbecue na lutuin namin. Marami to.
Yan sila. Waiting for the
Ano yung tent?
sunset.
Successful ba? Dili day.
Abra is there. Light is over there.
Ganun lang yung nakita ko sa sinasabit ka.
Dapat
pang-sakay.
Alaw lang sila dyan na.
Original tayo sa dili dyan.
Hindi ako marunong.
Ay, wala siya pala. Ang mama niya.
Abra is enjoying the moment. As you can see, he's dancing.
Yan ang larawan na sila. Blue or zero? O, sige, tutukan.
Maglutong sa nagsaging guys, no? Kaya hindi po kay saging din magbali-bali para saging smoked bitaw, no? Ano po saging ba? Busy kay pangaw ng mga Bisaya kang mga gwapa.
Hoy, wala ni mo ni Kuya Busy dito sa subscribe.
Yeah, kanay sa Apple nga. Kain namin, no? Sarap sa pakiramdam ba na kuan ba? Hi! Brar! Demagi! Ganda ng pasansit, oh.
Sino gusto mo? Ikaw ang facilitator, ikaw mag-start.
Ah! Oh, ay! Oh, T!
That was nice. Calm down. Oh.
Ay! Hindi nakalimutan mo ba pangalan mo? Galing. Oh. Oh. Oh, why? Oh, sige. Oh, sige. C. Aki ba or C?
Elsa, gana imong poster.
Ah.
Ay, big letter pala yung kanya.
Big letter ba? Big letter? Oh, sige. Ah.
Jay, di ko kapalugirin ka ko. Another sa consequence ha.
J-A.
I'll close my eyes. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
D.
Dalawa na lang letter.
Dalawa na. D. E na lang. E.
I feel like I'm raped.
Ay. Ah. B. Ah.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Oh.
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 I like it. Oh my god. Oh, that's great.
Oh.
That's great. That's great. That was nice.
Black. Pak. Pak. Jack. Pak.
That was nice. Yeah, that was nice.
Awan.
The landing was hard actually.
Oh.
Landing was hard.
Pak. L. Yan. Yay.
Winner! And the prize is watermelon.
No, you have to tell us the right answer.